Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install and use Autoflow on your PC browser. Since Whisk AI has shut down, this is really a good way to generate images. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Autoflow and install this extension. Once it's installed, close all your tabs, then search for Google Flow and open the website. Then click on Create with Flow to open it. In here, you can either start a new project or continue an old one. I will create a new project and then open the Autoflow extension. Now, select the latest version and go into Settings. In Settings, choose Nano Banana Pro as the image model and set the image quality to 1K. I am using this because I don't have Google Pro or Ultra for higher quality downloads. After that, go to Control section, select Create Image and paste your prompt. Then click Add to Queue and press Run on this page. Now it will start generating and automatically download all the images. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.